Hey, good morning guys. I decided to do a fun little adventure today with the large format camera. So I got my 4x5 out and I'm at a spot where I've been before and done some portraits here, but never any really long exposure film or any larger medium format film. So excited. I'm gonna let the sunrise get up here a little bit just because of the way the sun's coming up. The light isn't exactly how I would like it. I want the sun to get actually a little bit higher and get some shadows and contrast in here, but I got the camera set up. Ready to go, and as you can see, I got a nice bridge with the sunrise coming up. A little bit of clouds in the sky, so get a little bit something interesting, but just gonna wait for the light to get a little bit progressed here a little bit, and then get things framed up and exposures ready. I wanted to get a nice wide shot of the bridge, and so I've got my super wide lens here, the 90mm, which for the 35mm shooters, I roughly divide by 3, so you could say it's like a 30mm or so lens. A little bit actually less than that, in the mid-20s, but for the most part it's pretty wide, and I can get a full wide shot of the bridge and the tracks going over in there, and a little bit of the water and a good amount of the sky still too, so it's great. Awesome lens, probably my favorite lens for a wide angle, and really can get some awesome landscapes. All right, so I got the sun kind of just peaking about where I want, and just took some meter readings of the scene. My main bridge area and tracks are coming in about 2 seconds or so, and the sky's at about 1/8, and so we got a little bit wider range than I'd want. So I threw a filter on. I'm probably gonna use a 2-stop filter just to break up the sky from the rest of the scene and hopefully get some of the color and the contrast of the sun behind the clouds and the blue sky. I'm shooting Ektar 100, though I might take a shot with Portra 400 too, just to see kind of a comparison. But probably get set up here and grab an exposure. So successful morning, awesome sunrise. There's nobody out here, nice and quiet, and I think I got a couple good shots in there. Kind of what I was looking for. Sunrise was pretty nice. I think I'd come back here again and do something just kind of pre-sunrise with the sky lit. It was pretty cool. If the clouds are right, I think it would look really neat. You know, for me, I think 50% of this is actually coming out and getting a great shot, good composition, good exposure, developing it myself, kind of the full end-to-end process. You know, the other half of it is just getting out, walking around, kind of seeing some new places, exploring, just being outside. And it's a little cold this morning, you know, about 28 degrees when I woke up, but right now, I mean, I am packed full of gear, and I'm warm. But so I know this was a pretty quick video, pretty quick setup. I wanted to fly the drone for a little bit and kind of give you an idea of what the setup is like and what it's like to go shoot. But I'm hoping to do some more longer, in-depth videos, maybe a little bit more on the technical or a little bit more on the setup. So if you like that, if you're interested in that, let me know. If you just like seeing the drone fly around too, let me know that too. But I'm gonna get packed up here, head home, have some breakfast, and get some coffee. We'll see you guys later.